Good day everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about the command system in AutoCAD and how it works. So AutoCAD is a command-based software, which means that for every action to be performed, we need to enter a command for that specific action. And to end any action, we also need to end the command. We previously introduced you to this box over here, which is the command box. And if we click on this arrow, it will drop up a panel showing us the history of all previous actions we performed in this session from the time we open the program until we close it. So stay tuned to learn how this system works. So in this program, we have two methods of activating an action. The first one is directly selecting any tool from the ribbon bar. So for example, we're going to use this line tool as our example. So if I click on it, you will see that here in the command box, it says line specify first point. And if I specify my first point, then it says line specify next point, meaning it records all actions and each action is done using the command system. So let's continue specifying points until we are satisfied with the shape created. Once I'm done drawing the shape, if I want to end the command, I have two options. The first one is pressing the escape button, which will cancel the command completely. While I can also press the space bar or enter button to close the command. And then if I want to reinitiate the line command, I can press space or enter again to repeat the previous line command and then continue drawing. So this is the first method, right? The second method, if I want to activate the line tool, is to type line, and you will see a drop-down menu of the line command and anything that begins with the line word. So there we have line type, line weight, and it gives me the option of choosing all these types of actions. I want to use the line command, so press enter to activate. And then if I want to exit, I have to press space or enter to exit the command, whichever way I prefer. If I want to repeat the line again, then press space or enter, and that's the system. Get used to it and perform as many actions as you want to get used to the system. Now another way, I can right click on my mouse and you will see that it says repeat line, which is the same as pressing enter or spacebar. So if I click, I will be able to repeat the command and draw a line again. And if I want to exit the command, right click and you will see it shows enter and cancel. So enter to exit the command. Then if I right click again, it says repeat line. So click on it and you can draw the line again. Right click and click enter to exit, and so forth. With this method, I can use the mouse without the keyboard, but it wouldn't be as efficient as using both simultaneously. Now another thing, if I right click, you will see the second line says recent input. And these are the inputs I've used so far. Here you see erase, line and rectangle. The erase was initiated because I just deleted the lines I drew. So AutoCAD considers that as erase command. So if I click on the rectangle, I will be able to draw a rectangle. Then if I right click, I can repeat the rectangle again. And repeat will always repeat the immediate previous command. So I can repeat line, and if I want to use the line tool, I should go to recent input and choose line, okay? And if I want to exit, I right-click and enter. Let us try to add another action such as the circle tool. If I create a circle and right-click, in recent input you will see circle has been added in recent input. So now I can either repeat circle or choose another command such as rectangle. Draw another rectangle, and then if I go to recent input you will see the circle is still there. So it will remain until I close the program. Let's add another tool, for example the arc tool. And then I right click, and in recent input you will see that arc was added. And there is also ortho mode, which was added as I pressed F8 to turn off ortho mode. So that's another command which was added, and I can choose from here as well. You can see down here ortho off. If you click on the arrow, the drop-up menu will appear, and you will see all the actions I made have been recorded in accurate order. Here you see that I turned off ortho mode, I specified end point of arc, I specified first point of arc, and so on. Let's practice what we've learned and get used to it. Remember that AutoCAD is a program which you can only master by repeating and doing these actions over and over until it becomes second nature to your hands and mind. As engineers, draw all complicated engineering drawings without thinking of these small processes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button, the notification bell, and most importantly subscribe to help us grow this channel. Bye bye.